It's done. So, we had to add to the collection. So, what's better than a little Debbie cake, right? Little Debbie cake earrings. So, we print these off here. And if I can get this in here, and this may have to go into hyperspeed to get this to work, because I'm not good at this. I swear every time I turn the camera on, I dropped one. But so we have two models here. We have the bitten Little Debbie cake here. And we have the non-bitten Little Debbie cake here. Now let's see if I can find a model somewhere. Well, here they are. And we have the bitten version. And we have the non-bitten version. And Little Debbies make everybody even more beautiful.